should have been a boy or even a little girl. We didn't have a chance to see this cold world. We made a mistake and the one we can't replace. Well, even to this day, but I wish it's in your face. You color in your book with all your crayons. Wish it would have happened, but now it's all gone. We're playing on the grass and on the trampoline, trying to picture you now, but it's just a dream. The trouble you would be, on what you made me see. I will always take notice cause I love you deeply, but it's never gonna happen. I've lost you, it's tragic, but I see you in the spirit. Let the magic happen. For the kids that ain't born, we chose our lives, but it ended yours. For the kids that ain't born, we chose our lives, but it ended yours. It's time to recap and it's time to think back on where we couldn't keep you. So this is where the story at. And I'm sorry. Me and your mom just weren't getting along. The struggles we were going through, but we stayed strong. At the end of the day, we decided you couldn't stay. Well, shortly after that, we both parted our own ways. I feel sorry for your mom. She took the GFL. She went through the rough times. I know she was no there. But I see your industry, but she ain't being the same. Come to think of it now, maybe I know what to put. So, to my little angel, it's flying in that sky. It really hurts us that we didn't get to say goodbye. So to my little angel that's flying in that sky, it really hurts us that we didn't get to say goodbye. Oh no, love me. I should have been a father and should have been more. I regret every moment you was unborn. Every night I'd moan, every night I'd cry, knowing what we did, but it's killing me inside. Why am I so blind and the shame I gotta hide? But it couldn't have been me, the one that should have died. So tell my little angel was flying in the sky. I regret to this day that I didn't say goodbye.
Well done, Sean. Anya, what do you think of Sean's performance?
That was absolutely beautiful. That was really emotional, I can tell. I think you touched a lot of people in this room, and I can tell that that song meant so much to you. And you've got an incredible talent. I heard every single word and every single lyric there, and I felt what you felt. It was absolutely gorgeous, incredible. Well done.
Kelly, what do you think?
I think you've got a really great flow and a great rhythm to your voice, and I've got to commend you for getting up there and rapping about something that's really quite personal. It must have been really hard to kind of share that to everybody, and I just got to commend you for that. I haven't wrote a lot down because I was just like, you know, immersed in what you were saying. I was just listening to everything that you said, and I just think that you conveyed everything that you felt, and you just got that out there, and I think you made every single person in this room feel exactly what you wanted. Well done.
Again, I mean, what you just did speaks for itself. I don't have to say it, to be honest, Sean, because like the emotion you portrayed throughout that, and the feelings and the lyrics and that speaks volumes. You know, like they say, like a lot of rappers tend to, you know, tell their truths and tell their stories and their feelings and things like that, and that's why a lot of people turn to rap. But when somebody puts everything out there and everything, all their art, soul and everything on that stage, it's kind of like, oh my God, it really gets you intense because it's such a moment that you're creating. And the thing, I think the only thing you need to do is just to have more performance on stage, and this process can give you that, because the more you get confident on a stage, the more you're going to perform even more to another standard. But lyrically and vocally, everything is exactly where it needs to be. Again, that was an amazing story what you just told. Keep doing what you do, Matt, because that's exactly what you need to do. There's not much I can say to you other than just do what you do best. Brilliant. Well done. Well done, Marie.